Just came back from work. My train for Switzerland is leaving in an hour, so we gotta go. Fast, danke Matthäus, gell? Ciao. Bitte. Danke, ja. Ja, noch ruhige Dienste, gell? Danke. Er ist tatsächlich da. Hi. Alles fit bitte?
Ja, alles gut.
Are you looking forward to see Eric?
Of course. Can't wait.
Nächster Halt, Bad Ragaz.
Hey!
Wait.
Hey, come here! Hi. Hey, alles gut? Gut.
Good.
Yeah.
My hair wet.
Hallo!
Hallo.
Hi, hallo, komm her, hi!
Herzlich willkommen.
Alles gut, danke.
Oh, ich freue mich. Alex, alles gut?
Alex.
Ja, Alex.
Ich habe ein bisschen zugenommen. Was, der Erik fährt?
Ja.
Okay, warte. Du musst bitte raus hier. Na, raus.
Ist noch Übungsfahrt, oder?
Ja, wahrscheinlich.
keiner. Jesus.
Morgen hast du die Fahrprüfung, oder?
Genau. Oh.
Nee.
Ah, nee.
Consensual. America, legal.
America, fuck yeah.
Yeah. It is.
Yum. Good appetite. Whoa, fancy. Frank, hear me out. A Caesar salad, 14 euros.
Where did you guys dine?
In the fucking summer hotel, wherever we are with Eric.
Oh, well, of course, yeah. If you're gonna eat at a hotel, of course it's gonna be fucking
Frank,
expensive.
again. A Caesar salad.
It's Swiss standard. What do you
A
mean?
Caesar salad.
I know this shit, Tom.
Frank, I don't think you understand the dilemma. A Caesar salad, 14 euros.
I do understand the dilemma. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, that is a lot of money.
Way too much.
You're-
Definitely not the standard in Austria. Nope.
I mean,
Well,
you
Austria is
came-
like
You guys came here. You guys didn't come here for the food, so
Are you back home safely, Frank?
I am back home safely. I am
Pog, alright.
currently butt naked. No, just kidding. I am currently without pants. For your information.
Pog. Dude,
Alright.
this hotel internet is quicker than my internet at home.
Yeah, welcome to Switzerland.
What the heck?
The internet is fast, the food is expensive, the
Oh.
chicks are disgusting.
Well, at least they're not missing out on anything. At least they have high standards, you know. Like they have everything on premium.
At
Like
least you can all talk and Reddit and shit.
if Austria would be like the free subscription of like Spotify, Switzerland would be like the Spotify premium of that. Like even like the plus, you know.
I'm a duck, Frank.
I hate today, I swear to God.
I'm a duck.
And then just fucking do the thing. Are you recording this on the camera?
No,
Yeah, I was about to say.
don't worry. I'm.
We're just so close to the camera, and the camera is so close
Yeah.
to me.
Why would I record something like this?
Probably not.
Good morning. It is 9:41. We're heading up for breakfast before they close entirely. I slept like a rock. I woke up at like 4:30 yesterday for work. I had 6 hours of work from 6 to 12. Immediately cut my stuff. Went to the train, almost missed it. And today we're waking up to, you can't see anything, this here. We'll have a look outside from the other side, but it is very nice. Alex is still sleepy as fuck.
Alright.
Are you ready for the day?
Let's get going.
Mm-hmm. Welcome to Switzerland.
Yeah, let's go.
Wow. Good morning, Switzerland. Sheep Swiss breakfast. Yes. Look at the pony. It's looking at us. Oh, don't think he likes me.
Ah.
Grüß dich. Sprechen Sie Switcherdeutsch? I don't think he speaks Swiss German. Neither do we. Oh well. Alex is going down in the jungle. I think we found it. If you want to get to the other side, you have to take off your shoes. Yeah, let's go through the mud. Oh frick, this is cold already. Oh, this is great. This is nice. It's actually nice.
Damn.
Alex, in order to become one with this end, you have to take off your shoes to cross the path to your peace.
What the hell are you talking about?
Take off your shoes.
Nah.
Take off your shoes.
I don't.
Oh, this was cold. Holy shit. You don't want to cross? Oh my god. This is freezing heckin' cold. Alex really isn't happy, but yes, he's leaving his comfort zone. Way to go, Alex! He's leaving his comfort zone. Aw. You know, you have to leave your comfort zone in order to grow and to just be more happy in life. Go, Alex. Go, Alex. How do you like the temperature? It's kind of cold, is it? You almost did it. You almost did it. Quick. Hey, I'm proud of you, Alex. Proud of you. Yeah. So I have the feeling Eric is not going to be able to find us. So I kind of ran back to where we just came from. And now I'm hoping to somehow. Now I'm kind of hoping to see him somewhere over there, but that's probably going to be difficult. Hey, we have managed in like a 2-minute phone call to give out my location. Look, here's Eric. Hey, been bitten by like 5 ants in the meanwhile it's burning. Hey. Hey, you made it. Hi. Over there. Congratulations!
Fuck you.
This is getting close.
Das wurde langsam knapp.
Ja, das ist schon richtig.
Nee, mit Hosen nicht das machen, das
Ach so.
wurde knapp.
Okay.
Ah, yes. Bullshit.
Warte, ja genau. I was about to say, go up here, you're gonna slip here. I got on video.
Fuck off. Oh, das ist so weh im Herzen. Diese Preise. Yep, 2 euros. Oh, it's my American mates. This is the only culture you have. Seriously. It's fucking delicious, fuck it.
That's an insult.
Fuck off! You see this? Perfect.
Hungry for KFC.
Oh boy, white paper
Yum.
straw.
Want to present your school?
No.
No?
It's a pig hole. But basically this is the first floor, or ground floor, or whatever you want to call it. Second floor, I don't know. It's like basically some pictures and historical data about something called cadet music, which is basically the music of, yeah, like the school that I had. Yeah, you get some stuff.
Maddie, no. Can you go in there?
Look at the scenery outside.
Hey, we're back at the questionable path where we were with Frank last time, if anyone remembers, from my first or second part. Frank's going up in the jungle.
It's not that easy when you're swimming.
Whoop. Cool. Wow. Eric, I know you don't appreciate it, but this here is truly beautiful.
Good looking, but I'm just like,
It's amazing.
I've seen it for the past 4 years, so.
Yeah.
But it's always fun to look at. It's no product placement. This is basically a typical Portuguese drink called B. It's literally B exclamation mark. And then, see. Fuck yeah. Yeah, so like fat people go here, they want to take a piss, they can't see their cock because they're so fat, they're just like, oh yes, I can maneuver. High fat. Now just take a sleep.
Sleep.
Go to bed, Daniel.
Bye.
If you guys liked it, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video if you want to see more of this content, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to never ever miss out on any videos of the Friendly Squad. Thank you guys. Peace out.
Yeah, that was perfect.
I'm just natural, you know. Just a natural.